Hi everybody, Namaskaram. My name is Ramesh. I am from cetnic.in. Today we see the in-depth details about advanced mock counseling, which is useful to EAMCET, ICET, EdCet and PGCET students. Now let's dive into the details. What is mock counseling? Mock counseling is a process with which you can predict and prepare a list of colleges for the current year, current rank of the competitive exam to get seat in those colleges based on previous year closing rank of students joined in those particular colleges where you would like to join in particular course. Is it accurate? Means depending on the output or depending on the list generated based on your entered rank, do we definitely get the seat in the exact college where you are aspiring to join? My answer is no, because every year the ratio between the number of students applying to this competitive exams like EAMCET, ICET, EdCet, PGCET varies based on gender, caste, region, district, etc. So the competition between respective genders, caste to respective number of seats in different branches and in different districts definitely varies, which affects the number of seats available in the area and the number of students competing. So I don't think the present mock counseling process is the exact system to prepare your list of colleges where you are going to put in web option entry. Currently some free mock counseling sites are there, so their interface looks like this. Here you can enter the details and you will get a list of colleges where you have a chance of getting seat. But I think there are some drawbacks here. That is, the user or student cannot check the availability of the seat in multiple districts. That is, the multiple colleges located in multiple districts. At the same time, the user cannot check the multiple courses, that is the availability of the multiple courses in multiple colleges located in multiple districts. That is, most of the sites, some of the sites are showing select all districts or to select all multiple courses at a time. But I don't think this is the common requirement of any student, because a student may want to join in 1 or 2 or 3 districts only. He do not have to do anything with the remaining districts, and also the same thing can be applied to the multiple courses too. And one more drawback in the present mock counseling system offering in some websites is that student cannot check the availability of the seat in his desired individual colleges. We have covered many more things in our site cetnic.in. We see them in next presentations. So some of the websites are showing the output like this, whereas if a student enter his rank as 5000, the output shows the colleges which have a closing rank greater than the 5000. But this kind of reports has some issues. What are those issues? The main thing is mock counseling is totally based on previous year closing rank, so that if there may be competition for that particular college last year, it may not be the same thing that this year the competition will be the same. maybe you may have a chance that you may get seat in some colleges where the closing ranks are less than your entered rank. That is, if you have 5,000 closing rank, maybe if you apply properly this year, you may get seat in a college which has a closing rank of 3,000 only. This is one thing. And the another thing is, it shows the output of the colleges list region wise. That is, it shows all the districts located in that particular region. But as I think, most of the students prefer to join in Hyderabad, or their next alternative will be their native place or the college which is near to their residence. And especially this is applied to the girl students, because most of the girl students want to join, most of the girl students as well as their parents want to join in the nearest colleges located to their home. If you follow the mock counseling blindly without having enough knowledge over the process of mock counseling, and without doing enough research into the mock counseling process present some free websites are offering, then you may not get seat in the best colleges, even if you have a possibility there for your rank. This thing happens mainly because all normal free mock counseling websites are showing the rank greater than the user entered rank. So student losing the opportunity of applying to the colleges which have a closing rank that is less than the rank the student got. So when he is not applying those colleges, then there is no question of getting the seat for this particular student. Whereas some other factors also influences the seat allotment process. Every year the number of seats in some colleges are increasing, so that if a 30,000 ranker does not got seat in a particular college last year, but there may be some chances this year he may get the seat in that particular college in that particular course. And it can be vice versa. That is if last year, if a student who got 14,000 rank may have got a seat in XYZ college, but he may not, the same 14,000 ranker may not got the seat this year in the same college because of increase in competition. So there are so many factors are there, and you can see the detailed list here. So what is the solution? The solution is the cetnic.in's advanced mock counseling process and the best option entry and the competition check. And what are the other features we are offering to the students when comparing to the free websites? These are the features which are available only in cetnic.in mock counseling. That is scientific mock counseling, selecting multiple courses at a time, selecting multiple districts at a time, checking individual or selected number of colleges to check whether you are able to get seat in that particular college or not, and the number of intake seats available and the course fee. that is shown just beside each and every college, and increase seat and closing ranks of the colleges in which seat may not be possible, that is the closing ranks of the colleges too which are lesser than the rank entered by the student, and the total number of colleges to get seat in each district, the option entry practice, preparing priority list of colleges, best option entry, competition check. So these are the features, those are only available in cetnic.in only. Now what is advanced mock counseling? Here you are able to select the multiple courses, hold shift and select the courses, whatever the courses you would like to apply. So you can enter all your rank and category, gender, exam details here. When you are selecting the course, you can hold the shift and with your mouse select the courses. Then here, if you want to check the possibility of getting seat in that particular college which are located in particular districts, then at a time you can select 1 or 2 or 3 number of colleges at a time by checking the check boxes beside the districts. Once you have selected the districts, then you will be navigated to this particular page, whereas you are able to see all the colleges which are located in particular places of the district. Here, if you have a specification about the colleges, you can check the particular colleges only, so that you will be able to see the report like this, whether there is a chance to get seat for your particular rank or not. So once you have seen that you are able to get seat in this particular college and you are not able to get seat in these particular colleges, then what you can do is, suppose you got 5000 rank, but even you would like to apply for the colleges which have a closing rank of 2000 or 4000, because this year you may have a chance that you may get seat in those particular colleges, so that you can enter the option 1 here and you can enter the option 2 here like this, and you can generate the priority college list by clicking a button that is located in the bottom, generate your report. So what are the advantages? You can see all the closing ranks of the colleges which has closing rank lesser than your rank, and you can see the closing ranks of individual colleges which are located in different places of a particular districts, or you can see the closing ranks of the colleges view which you already prepared to join, and you can prioritize your list by using college web option entry list. Then what is best option entry? This is the best option entry. Suppose you don't know anything about the mock counseling and everything, you just want to get a seat in the best college where there is a chance you may get the seat in those particular colleges. So we suggest this best option report. Just blindly enter your details in this form, and when you click next, you will be able to see this kind of report, whereas you enter your options like this 1 2 3. We already mentioned that there is less or no possibility to get seat in this particular college, but even though we are suggesting you to apply to these colleges, because this year you may have a chance to get seat in these particular colleges, and here we are showing that there is more possibility to get seat, so that for your rank you may get seat in the best college. Now by following the best option entry, there is very less chances that you will lose seat in the best college for your rank. Now this is competition checker, whereas when the user prepares his option entry, when you click on the competition checker and select the year, then you will be able to see the see what other students who are applying for the same college and who are the other students those are giving competition to this to your desired prepared list of colleges. So you can later on you can alter your list so that you have more confident getting seat in your desired college. That is, the competition checker feature appears like this. And now what? Now just rush to your nearest APOnline center and pay 120 rupees and access all these features. Wish you all the best. You can see all the help videos to how to use this mock counseling process in cetnic.in site in at this URL cetnic.in/update/help videos. You can see this link in the cetnic.in homepage, help videos. So wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.